How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Rabbit Transit Garage. Jason's over there scrubbing on the satellite. And I just dropped the part for my dart. I'm working on the quarter panel again for the dart. So what I did, I broke off the tack that I had on the bottom. I just had one tack on there. So while it was up there, I decided to follow this body line right here rather than wrapping it over. So I just took a Sharpie and got the basic contour of the back side, which is what I have here. I just followed it and ran along the back side of the metal. So we'll cut this up and see how she fits. So I'll be back shortly. So this is what we got. This will go like so. Obviously it's kind of hard to manipulate this by hand, but that'll follow that form. And then I can take care of this part up here after this is cut out. Now the nerve-wracking part, this is the part I always have a problem with, is cutting the old metal out. It's always tough for me to make that first cut. So anyway, we'll put this up here, trace it, and nip out the old crusty metal and start stitching. Part I dread the most, the first cut. And I forgot my safety goggles. And I just got smacked in the eye. All better. I'm undercutting my marks a little bit here. Come on, baby. And it's gone. Take a little more over here. Take the metal, take some more out of here. Okay. Now, I'll take
see what we got.
Well, she's coming along. It's officially on there. I ended up going back to my flux core actually. The other welder was flaking out. I'm not sure what's going on there, but I wanted to get this thing at least attached today. I do have a funky little contour here, but keep in mind a lot of this is getting cut out anyway. It took quite a bit to get this to conform to it. I ended up with a little bit of a belly there. This wheelhouse actually has a contour that I didn't notice originally. So getting this to fit to this and make it fit halfway decent took a little bit of work, but I tried to take as much of the material out of here to make it fit rather than the original wheelhouse. But yeah, it's turning along. Now part of the car. I got a little overzealous with the welder here, trying to weld to the original wheelhouse, and I kept on hitting it with too much heat, so I blew through in a couple spots, but we'll get that taken care of. And yeah, so I'll get everything welded up completely, dress it up, so this will look pretty good when she's done. Honestly, it really doesn't matter. It's going to be behind the quarter panel, but it's more for my, more from me, I guess. But we'll get that on there, and then we'll concentrate on this spot here, and this spot, and then we'll take care of the drop down, and I can fill the hole in the quarter panel. It'll have a quarter panel. I'm so excited. So, yeah, turning out pretty good. Not bad for free scrap metal. And a little bit of labor. Love it. This stuff is very satisfying. So stick around for the next one. That should be coming out probably, hopefully this week. More and more I monkey around with this thing. But the fitting, the hard stuff is done. Getting the shape of it, get it to fit. And we'll get her, keep on going. So have a good one. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And we'll hope to talk to you soon. Hope you enjoy it. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.